To fix a dryer that won't turn off, it's essential to identify the underlying issue. The problem can be caused by a faulty timer, a faulty door switch, or a damaged cycling thermostat. The timer regulates the dryer's operation throughout the cycle, and if it's defective, the dryer may fail to shut off. To fix this, start by powering off the dryer. Then locate the timer on the control board and remove it. Use a multimeter to verify if the timer has continuity. If it doesn't, install a new one. If replacing the timer doesn't resolve the issue, inspect the door switch, which signals the dryer to stop when the door is opened. A faulty switch can cause the dryer to think the door is closed and continue running. To test the switch, open the door and listen for a clicking sound when you close it. If there's no sound, use a multimeter to test for continuity. If the switch lacks continuity, replace it with a functioning one. If neither of these solutions works, the problem may be with the cycling thermostat. Begin by unplugging the dryer from the power outlet. Then remove the cabinet panels and locate the thermostat. Remove and test it using a multimeter. If it has no continuity, replace it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a dryer that won't turn off.